Excel is powerful, no doubt, but when you're tracking project performance, it can get messy fast. You juggle numbers from 3 different sheets, filter rows, fix formulas, and end up wondering how this turned into your entire morning. In this video, we'll walk you through how to create a clean, readable summary report in Excel step by step without drowning in chaos. We'll also show you a smarter way to handle workflows like this using all-in-one project tools like ClickUp. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is organize your data. Start by making sure each column has a clear header and each row represents a unique record, so there's no mixing of text and numbers. Then, sort and filter it. Sort by clicking on any cell in the column you want to sort, the Data tab, and sort A to Z or Z to A. Filter by selecting your table, then clicking on the Data tab and filter. Use the drop-down arrow on any column to filter by specific values, ranges, text, dates, or even color. The next step is building a pivot table to summarize your data. Pivot tables let you turn raw data into interactive and flexible summaries. Start by highlighting your data, then go to the Insert tab and click Pivot Table. Pick where you would like it to show up, either on a new sheet or within the same sheet. Drag fields to rows and values areas. For instance, drag region to rows and sales to values to see sales by region. Use the filters and columns areas for deeper breakdowns, and double-click any value to see the raw data behind it. Now that your data is summarized, it's time to tweak the layout and calculations. This is where your data starts making sense. You can switch between totals, averages, and counts, or add calculated fields for extra insights. At this point, the structure is solid, but if you want to take things up a notch, you can highlight insights and add visuals. Use conditional formatting from the Home tab to highlight outliers, top performers, or trends. Then you can turn your summary into a visual report with milestone charts. Just select your pivot table or summary table, then go to Insert, Charts. Your pivot charts stay synced with your pivot table, so you can filter data live while the chart updates automatically. Now your report looks good, but it still needs to be labeled, shared, and kept updated. Add short notes or section labels so people know what they're looking at. Then save it, export it, or share it with OneDrive for easy access. If your data updates, simply right-click your pivot table and select Refresh. By following these steps, you can create clean, readable summary reports. But as your reports grow, Excel starts showing some limitations. You'll run into limits on how many rows and columns you can work with, and real-time updates aren't really Excel's thing. It's also surprisingly fragile. One small mistake can break everything. You'll find yourself doing manual updates all the time. And when it comes to working with your team, the collaboration features are pretty basic. ClickUp handles these limitations in a smart way. It's the world's first converged AI workspace that combines project management, documents, and team communication into a single platform. ClickUp's table view feels familiar to spreadsheets, plus it stays connected to your work. Tasks, statuses, owners, and deadlines are automatically updated in one place. You can switch to it from any space, folder, list, or project and customize the layout as you like. It also lets you bulk edit multiple entries at once to clean up data quickly or update fields across several tasks. And instead of formulas and pivot tables, you can speed things up with ClickUp Brain, your context-aware AI assistant. In your table view, simply create a drop-down custom field, enable the Fill with AI option, and tell the AI to generate a summary. ClickUp Brain will create summary reports based on the prompt you input. It's as simple as that. So yes, Excel is great for building summary reports, especially when you follow these steps. But if reporting feels repetitive, fragile, or disconnected from real work, tools like ClickUp help you move faster with fewer manual steps. Do you still build most of your reports manually in Excel? Let us know in the comments. And if you're ready to simplify the way your team works, try ClickUp for free at clickup.com.